Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Today's video is about the inner shadow. On a video maybe yesterday or day before, I was having trouble getting an inner shadow, and I said I was going to do a little research, so I did and played around with it. What I was doing is, somehow I got the H selected. Select the yellow. What I was doing, I was going to take my shadow and I was doing this. But I was getting this, and I could not get it smaller. I wanted it from one side because this thing doesn't move. Well, all you have to do is just like the outer shadow, just take it, and I would go from the middle outwardly and then go past your object, and you can see your shadow. And there's your inner shadow. Now, there's a lot of things you can do. You can feather it, make it not as pronounced. You could make it real pronounced, which you wouldn't want. I wouldn't think for a shadow. And you can also do it with transparency to make it kind of just blend away. There's a lot you could do with it. But I was really having trouble with my letters. I couldn't get an inner shadow in my letters, in my text like this. I wasn't, so kind of start in the middle. See, I had the other thing selected. Make sure you select it before you get the shadow tool. And then go from the center and then go past your item. And there's an inner shadow. It's just so easy. I just kind of irritating. I couldn't have used it earlier on my video when I was trying to create a shadow on the inside of a letter. Anyway, so it's, and also you could grab it here. See, you go back to the, if you need to click on, you need to actually take your pick tool and click on your yellow and then get your shadow tool. Because it actually works like there's an inner shadow, but here you can go right here and go to the outside and you've got an outwardly shadow. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.